Most remote positions attract many applications quickly. Some roles have less competition as they are specialized and often overlooked. These positions can offer salaries in the six-figure range. The trend is clear and straightforward. These lesser-known jobs are not typical customer service roles. They often need specific skills or industry expertise. This specialization means fewer applicants. Many of these jobs showed signs of active hiring days or weeks post-listing. Our first job is as a FedRAMP assessment consultant. This position ensures companies comply with federal cloud security standards. Salaries ranged from $71,000 to over $122,000 annually. Few applicants search for terms like FedRAMP or NIST 800 to 53, reducing competition. Highlight your compliance or audit experience prominently on your resume. Next, we have the IT Revenue Operations Manager position. It involves managing IT services, analytics, and workflow optimization. A posting showed low applications, even with salaries above $120,000. The reason for this is straightforward. Employers seek a specific skill set, limiting qualified applicants. Emphasize your relevant experience and measurable results in your resume. The third job is a satellite imagery QA analyst. This job is often underestimated and overlooked. You'll validate satellite images for mapping and AI systems. One posting had early hiring signals even a month later. Pay ranges from $20 to $40 per hour. Employers seek candidates with as little as 2 years of experience. Showcase GIS, drone photography, and image annotation skills on your resume. Next is the Technical Application Support Specialist role. This role is more about technical support in industrial sectors. It involves fluid power and automation systems expertise. Fewer applicants understand the needed real-world industrial systems. Highlight any relevant experience in manufacturing or mechanical systems. The fifth position is Bilingual Patient Access Specialist. It requires Spanish fluency and healthcare-related skills. Salaries range from $53,000 to $71,000 yearly. Specific healthcare and bilingual skills lead to less competition. Include relevant healthcare and bilingual terms on your resume. The sixth job is a federal security engineer. This is among the highest paying positions we reviewed. Salaries can range from $160,000 to $200,000 annually. It requires a mix of cybersecurity and federal compliance expertise. This combination reduces the number of qualified applicants. Understanding federal standards can boost your job market value. Finally, we have the Federal or SLED Proposal Manager position. They assist in responding to government and public sector proposals. Salaries can exceed $116,000 each year. These roles are often document-heavy and detail-oriented. Experience with contracts or proposals can be quite valuable here. Here's the key takeaway. These roles are in high demand. They just have lower visibility to applicants. Niche roles tend to attract fewer applicants. This creates opportunities that many miss. Let me know if you want videos on entry-level remote jobs or AI side hustles. Subscribe for more realistic remote job insights and opportunities.